nada de Damsala, Damsara, the Lelia, Nam Joyakolia, Chu Jaji, that is Halamta Kasuri. Tabajum de Mawa Dameva. Two things hang go in a young and Tinjung Tekonani, Tamdi, Zamulia, Shede Yene, Mene, Tonas, Yonde Ajigi, that Chuzuji, Tangos, Chuzu to Sumedita, Tabajum Denjari. Chazan charges and got a Puti and Bonamstep and Tarian de Levery and Kiranzo de Nelinche to Shishuin. Yamangazu any Churuchagan they are joined in Monojabakulia, Shubjan Charge, and Shubjan Monoja someday. And they are the Yama, the nature thousand of Gation, the Shijan, the Latum Nalia, Janzu de Tutulia, Gunju, you lodge years. Shaya Chungsha, to share. That in Begi near the G. That Purg up as well as Zanju Kungi, competent. That Chikana Yodava. Compachunju, Chikahan Chujine, didn't Begi any sharing dinners orders. Nanshu Modric Chiata. And Nanshu Modric like this, Sanjay Chico Maimba. Sanjay Shun Sunship, Toru Golia, the Shik Sangam recorded and it trolling share could could chitang shame in a pan at the Chati Yori. Chazan did the choration in Bugucha de Yori. And patient to Himalaya review the Chigita Pamba Chijun Samolo, Kada Lomnil Tangdushan. Chikta Sanjay Chugi, Shircity, Ading Shatigi. Tension Revolution say, Tindrick Torutan, Deshe Gavundu, Gavachimik Jamari, Zomun Tagana Yene, Miss Semkiva, any Uchu Nyamba, Kuru Sunjo, Sama Yon to Ashtua. So, Dili Dutane, Otamazo, Chikopachiju, Kawaii Yene, Chigi Miji, Lomni Jasa Yodabada, Chig Samo Saba, Chig Yonya Chig. That condition Chagores, Medishadi. Just another big chance de and the Chol Hangandi, Yanji Tujin did the tune. Chigasanda sort of Chukusi sort of Tujin did the tune, Yan chance de Nyalap and a cabinet trolling to the chair. Now the day chance of Kurgidre, Gene, Kajan de Gurush, chance two cherries to what? Let them know. You also invited some Muslims.
Yes.
From Kyrgyz.
From Kyrgyz.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So, like that, you see, from time to time, firstly, you see, this temple should be not simply a temple for prayer, but a temple for learning. It should create that way. So learning not only Buddha Dharma, but philosophy which mentioned in these ancient Buddhist literature. So that it can help, you see, to widen, to open our mind. It's very, very useful. So this eventually should be one way, of course, children for prayer, but one way should be learning center. Occasionally, some meeting. Firstly, some scholars come discuss. Then some younger student will come discuss, irrespective whether believer or non-believer. Within believer, Muslim or Buddhist, Christian, Hindus, Jains, you see, no differences like that. Every effort to promote closer understanding, you see, between different religious traditions. In this country, Bharat, this is one of your traditions. wonderful. Now time comes. This must show rest of the world. This very moment, we are quite happy, peaceful, isn't it? Very moment, I think in Syria, Iraq, I think dying through violence and starvation, and to some extent in Africa also. And then our neighbor, Afghanistan, and even to some extent in Pakistan also. Now in Bangladesh also. So such moment, it is how we can just remain till something happen here. We just remain indifferently. It is morally speaking wrong. These people also human brothers, sisters. So in conflict, in political matter or economic matter, something different. But conflict in the name of religion, then we, as a believer, we all have the responsibility how to reduce this. So that's why now, after this meeting, this time I suggested I want to go to mosque, one Sunni, one Shia mosque. Don't worry, I not become Muslim. Sometimes I describe myself as a staunch Buddhist because, these masters, they really made sort of distinction, and through their comparative study. So the Buddhist philosophy, Buddhist concept, you see, they put a lot of reasons. Now, modern scientists also, now you see, very much attracted to this philosophy. So a person, as a student of these Nalanda masters sort of writing, so I usually describe myself as a staunch Buddhist. But at the same time, on Kalachakra Tantra, one chapter, first chapter about world, cosmology, that sometimes I refuse. It's a world flat in the Mount Meru in the center. That also mentioned in Kalachakra Tantra, first chapter. With salutation, I can't agree that. These also, you see, these Nalanda masters, they rejected some of Buddha's own word, teaching. They say, if you accept this Buddhist teaching literally, then it goes against reason. Therefore, as a Buddhist, particularly follower of Nalanda tradition, we should consider reason is more important than Buddha's own word. So they already rejected some of the Buddha's own teaching of some text. So I also took liberty to reject existence of Mount Meru and flat world, which Kalachakra, the Tantra, first chapter mentioned these things. The second chapter, I think most probably, second chapter, is mentioned as a Buddhist must respect all major different religious traditions. It mentioned that. So logically, I, as one person who performed Kalachakra initiation several times, so I have to practice that. So after this meeting, I'm going there. I really feel that in reality, about billion Muslims there, they will remain. They're much better. Live harmoniously, peacefully, with mutual respect. It is possible in this country, and particularly in Ladakh area. You see, they carry through generations. So these also, same human being. You see, the same potential of anger, hatred, jealousy. But in spite that, you see, they kept this tradition. So I want to give them encouragement and now should be more active. So that's the main reason I'm going there.